Welcome to my channel. Today I will be making some garlic pigtail. Alright, so in this bowl here, this is like 6 or 7 pigtail, fresh one, not salted one, fresh pigtail which has washed 4 times, soaked down in salt and vinegar, and then I wash it out so it's ready to start the process. So I have 1 head of garlic, I have 4 Mery pepper. Alright, I have some fine thyme here which I will be, alright, I'm gonna string it off and then I'm gonna pong it. And also I have some vinegar here also, but this vinegar I only gonna be using like 2 tablespoons of this vinegar, not much, because you don't want the vinegar to cook the meat. You want it to just, you know, kill the taste. So 1 or 2 tablespoons, yes, not much. Alright, I'm not making pickled pork, I'm making garlic pigtail. Alright, so all it need is a lot of garlic, pepper, fine thyme, and salt to taste. Alright, so because I soaked this pigtail with some vinegar and salt, at this present I do not have to use any salt to season up this. For me, if you want, again, it's according to your taste. I do not use much salt, so I would not be adding any, but you can if you think that you need a little bit more salt into yours. Alright, so I'm going to start by ponging. If you have a food processor, you can use that also. Stay tuned. I don't want it to pong fine. I don't want it to be like a paste. I want it to, like, you could see like chunks of fine thyme and the garlic in it. Okay, stay tuned. So it's 1 corkful of vinegar. I'm gonna just add it in there, mix it up, and then I'm gonna add it into the I'm gonna soak this down. I'm gonna leave this to marinate for 3 to 4 days, and then ready to use. But by the time you guys might be able to see this video, it might be a bit late. So when you finish marinating this, you know you have to boil this. You could boil it and then till all the liquid dissolve, and then you put a little oil and fry it. Alright, you're not going to boil it and then throw off the water, because you're not going to get the taste of the garlic if you boil it and throw off the water. So what you have to do is boil it until it gets soft, and then make sure that all the water that you're going to be put inside boil down to the bottom, and then you add oil to fry, right? Or take it out and fry it separately when all the liquid come back down, so that you could be able to see the seasoning back again in it. All right. So the main focus of this video is to just show you guys how I season up my pigtail to make the garlic pigtail, okay? And this you can do with beef, pork, alright? Garlic pigtail. As I mentioned before, I do not need more vinegar, because vinegar tends to rotten out your meat if you leave it for days, okay? And then it depends on how much vinegar you're going to be using. Alright, please don't skip the hearts. Please don't skip the hearts. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and give this video a thumbs up. Okay, see you in the next one. Bye bye. Season greetings. After soaking this garlic pigtail for 3 days, and you could soak it for a week, it's your choice. I will now boil this out first before I fry it. Alright, so I have some water boiling on the fire, so I'm going to transfer it over to the fire. Alright, I mean into the water. And I'm going to boil this until it gets tender before fried, because if you don't boil it before, then it's going to be too hard for you to chew. Oh, sorry. Alright, stay tuned. So look at this. So I'm gonna stick this, and there you guys see that it's soft enough so where I can start frying it. Oh, look at this. Alright, I'm telling you guys, pigtail is the boss. So I wanted to get a little bit more soft, so I'm going to keep it on the water and let the water boil down. So stay tuned. So look at this. There's all of it almost out there, and you can see the oil starting to come. So now I'm frying it with corn oil now, and I'm just gonna let it get brown on each side. Okay. Hearing the popping, the oil and the liquid inside of it, so hearing it popping. I'm turning it. So Guys, this will burn you so bad. Alright. I'm gonna turn it down. You don't want it to burn. You just want it to get a little brown. Alright? Because it's already cooked. Ooh, guys, oh gosh. I gotta tell you, the crack of the song is dangerous, alright? This is what it look like when it finish. Garlic, pigtail, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and give this video a thumbs up. Alright? For any question, free to ask. Alright. Mouth watery. Oh, you don't want this to get more brown than this because can't taste. Soft and tender. And you taste it there. Garlic. Oh God. Don't forget to subscribe again. Please subscribe, share, like, press the bell for getting more notification. Please don't skip the ads. Alright, thank you again. See you in the next one. Bye bye.